I feel very, very happy and great, and I myself am very excited. But the seat which I've got to see it from is not looking that good. I should have been sitting behind, but the media has taken over, and you have to be nice to them, so I can't even tell them to give me some space. But nevertheless, thank you guys for coming, and I'm also going to enjoy this. Watching this film is actually right for the kind of treatment it's going to get here in IMAX. So, guys, let's just sit down and watch it. And maybe if I get a seat that side,
Yes,
I
of
can
course.
watch it the next time.
No, but actually we'll move you up when we
Oh,
start the
we
content.
can? All
Yes.
right, thank you.
And
And now,
over to
Ritesh.
yes, over to Ritesh.
I have this.
It's
Hi.
your first film with Excel Studios. We're very excited to be partnering with Excel. So a few words about your thoughts.
Okay, so first of all, it's Excel Entertainment.
Excellent.
It's not studios. And Akshay has been trying to correct you, but this is time he got it right. You know, earlier he wasn't getting it right. But yeah, I think it's all of us go to watch movies in cinema because we want to watch it on a large screen. I don't think it's larger than an IMAX. And I remember earlier when we used to travel abroad and we would go to watch films, we would wait to see if the movie is released in an IMAX. I think the same happens here. I think you'll only do a few films a year. So it's a privilege to have Gold on this format. And I think all of us are looking forward to watching it on the screen.
All right. Thank you so much. How about you guys? Can you tell us about your first experience watching a movie in IMAX? Are you excited?
I'm very excited, and it's a dream come true to be doing this film with them superlative people, and even a bigger dream that it's playing in IMAX. So thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I mean, copy paste whatever they've said because there's nothing more to say. I love watching movies at IMAX, and to watch Gold at IMAX, I think it'll be a great experience for everyone. So yeah, I hope everyone enjoys it. Thank you.
आपके सामने प्रशांत ईटीवी से बहुत ही कमाल का एक्सपीरियंस रहा आईमैक्स के इस वर्जन में देख के।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
एक जो बात सबसे ज़्यादा चिंता की है वो ये है कि भारत युवाओं का देश है, सबसे यंग नेशन कहा जाता है, लेकिन यहाँ की हेल्थ रिपोर्ट जो है वो काफ़ी परेशान करने वाली है। तो आप क्या मैसेज देंगे एक स्पोर्ट्स फिल्म के ज़रिए, क्या मोटिवेशन मिले खेल को लेकर, किस तरह से आगे आना होगा? क्योंकि फिटनेस का सबसे बड़ा ताल्लुक ये है कि हर घर में खेल खेला जाना चाहिए।
हर घर में हर व्यक्ति को एक खेल खेलना चाहिए, चाहे वो बच्चा हो, बूढ़ा हो, मर्द हो, औरत हो, सबको खेल खेलना चाहिए। एक खेल पकड़ना बहुत ज़रूरी है। ऐसे कई देश हैं जिनमें कंपलसरी किया जाता है कि हर व्यक्ति को खेल खेलना चाहिए और कंपलसरी है, और रिज़ल्ट आप देख सकते हो उन देशों को का रिज़ल्ट काफ़ी अच्छा है। और जैसे क्रोएशिया का है, उनमें वहाँ बहुत ज़रूरी है खेल खेलना। तो मैं यही कहूँगा कि हमारे यहाँ भी ऐसा होना चाहिए कि हर एक इंसान को, हर एक परिवार में हर व्यक्ति को खेल खेलना चाहिए. सो उसके तरीके से उसको करते करते हमारी जो हेल्थ है, इंडिया की जो हेल्थ रिपोर्ट है, वो सही होना शुरू हो जाएगी.
मौनी, आपके सामने सो आपकी डेब्यू मूवी है ये,
जी
और अक्षय सर के साथ डेब्यू मूवी है, सो वो एक काफ़ी अच्छी बात है.
सबसे
So,
अच्छी बात है.
हाँ, सो आपका एक्सपीरियंस क्या रहा पूरे शूटिंग के दौरान और अभी प्रमोशंस के दौरान भी?
बहुत ही ज़्यादा ब्लेसिड.
सर जोरदार तालियां, अमित साहब आए हैं.
I'm sorry, I'm late. Sorry, sir.
बहुत ज़्यादा, बहुत बढ़िया एक्सपीरियंस रहा है. ही इज़ नॉट जस्ट अ ग्रेट को एक्टर, ही इज़ ऑल्सो ब्यूटिफुल ह्यूमन बीइंग. तो सेट पे वो हमेशा एक खुशनुमा माहौल बनाए रखते थे, और सबके साथ ये बहुत अच्छे हैं और सेम है. देयर इज़ नो हायरार्की ऑन द सेट व्हाटसोएवर. ही इज़ द सेम विद द डायरेक्टर लाइक ही वुड बी विद द स्पॉट गाइज. सो he used to play games and keep everybody so warm and taken care of. But जब scenes की बात आती है, he's that sincere in every single shot. And when you see him in action like that, you realize why he is where he is. So thank you.
Moni, to your center, could you share some memorable moments from the sets?
It's my first film, so everything, every little moment spent on that set is very, very close and dear to me. But I love shooting both the songs and all the
I
scenes.
think you should
so.
tell them about your BBC interview. Your first BBC interview.
Yeah, okay, so the pranks were also very, very memorable, which you will get to know in a few days. So you should see it and watch and experience it rather than me narrating the story.
Akshay, towards your left, Justin here from PTI here. Akshay, at a time when consumption of cinema and entertainment is going to smaller screens with Netflix and Amazon coming into play, and lots of Bollywood stars also going to these platforms, do you see yourself doing perhaps a movie or a show on these streaming giants?
No, at the moment, I'm just seeing myself with IMAX. Huge, long, big. All right.
But is there a possibility in the future?
Oh, well, you never know anything. I mean, say if I get something, a good series to do, I may, I don't know.
And how do you look at the criticism and perhaps the perception that perhaps these Netflix and Amazon is one day going to kill the movie-going experience on a large screen format? Do you think the worry is real?
The worry is not only about that. The worry is more about anything else also coming out. So you never know what is going to come out. You just have to keep yourself updated, and that's it. That's the way you take care of it.
I don't think that's true that with Netflix and Amazon that you're going to kill the larger screen, because I think they're two different mediums. You watch movies come to cinemas because it's more of a community viewing. When you watch on a digital screen at a home, it's more individual viewing and the experience is different. And in fact, this year, if you've noticed, most of our cinemas have recorded a higher footfall. Like that's why you're seeing films doing in a certain ways what they're doing. So I don't think that's true.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, Moni. Hi, Usha here, Big FM.
Hi.
Hi. अच्छा ये बताइए कि IMAX का full form क्या है?
Indian Movie All Experience.
Image maximum.
No, image maximum.
Maximum. You know, he told me to say that. Why?
अरे
तो
शुक्र
ऐसा
कर
ही
मैंने
होता
पता
था
क्या बोला
हमेशा
था?
set पे.
You know what I was going to tell you? Indian movie at Christmas.
Xmas. आपको इन्होंने बोला था पूछने के लिए ये
मैंने
question.
नहीं बोला उसको.
और रितेश, ये आपका पहला एसोसिएशन है अक्षय के साथ, तो किस तरह का एक्सपीरियंस रहा, क्या रहा?
अभी आप उनके सामने बोल रहे हो, बोलना तो मुझे सच ही बोलना पड़ेगा. No, but it's been, I mean, it's, I've, whatever interactions I've had with him, but I've heard a lot about it from set. I think exactly like Moni said, and all of them, like his entire way of behaving with his crew, his cast, has been on a level so professional and making everybody so comfortable. So he made sure that the producer was never required on set. He would fulfill that responsibility. And that is why you've not seen me on this film. And every time, yesterday also I was asked these questions, ke, set pe masti kaun zyada karta tha, who was on time, who was late. I was letting Moni answer because I said Akshay was taking care of that part as well.
Akshay sir, I
But-
think that's a good excuse. Huh?
We all know it why he did
Yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah.
No.
Because he was busy with some other.
No.
दूसरी फिल्में बनाने के चक्कर में था ये.
No, but I'll tell you, but honestly, being whatever he used to tell me, and I think that's what happened on set. He's one of these few actors who once he's on set, he's 100% yours. And I had only heard about it that he doesn't even enter his makeup van, and that was true. So next film I do with him, I'm going to ensure there is no makeup van, so that you'll just save that money of not having it lying there.
Hi, Moni.
Spoken.
Hi, Moni. This is.
Spoken like a true producer.
Hi, Moni. On your left. Hi, this is Priyanka from
Hi.
Indian Express. Moni, you seem to be on a roll. We'll see you later in Brahmastra, after Gold. You have apparently signed a film with John, Raw, and you also, I think, doing Made in China with Rajkumar. So we haven't even seen you on the big screen, but we know there is a lineup. How, as an actor who's making debut in movies, how is that daunting? Is there a pressure on you already?
I love doing what I do. So, of course, I'm very, very excited and nervous. And I'm a person of nerves and disbelief. So, when everything happens, then I'll answer your question. But I'm just focusing on really, really working hard right now.
Right. Akshay,
Kunal. अच्छा.
Akshay. Akshay, I have a question for you. Akshay, now we all know that you're not part of Mughal, but if you
Part of what?
of Mughal,
Ah.
yeah. So, but if I have to ask you, if there's an alternate choice, you think who can play, Gulshan Kumar's role in the film, who would you think would suit the role best?
I don't think anybody beside me.
Thank you.
Sunny, hi. My question is to you. This is Ankita from Republic.
Hi.
You are unrecognizable in that pagri in the trailer. How will you take this compliment as?
I mean, I think compliments are meant to be taken, very nicely. So I'm going to take it like that. But no, like you said, yeah, a lot of people have come up to me and told me that, oh, is that you? Like my parents don't recognize me now after having lived with that look for a year. But no, it's most welcome, and I'm looking forward for people's reaction on that.
Akshay, also, my question is to you, looking after the Chinese box office and, of course, the massive hit of Toilet Ek Prem Katha, do you guys plan to release the movie in China as well? Ritesh ji?
Oh, sorry, to release this film in China? Yes, of course, we would want to release it in China, but I think there's a process. After the release in India, I think the censor in China would watch the film, and only after that will they see if it fits within the quota and it can make it. Of course, why would not? We would have to release it in every country. In fact, even if there's another planet where they can screen gold, we'll release it there.
Hello.
Akshay, I was
He would want to do it. जो इंसान vanity van देने को तैयार नहीं है.
Hello. Akshay, I just was very curious to know, do you remember the feeling that you had when you saw yourself for the first time on the big screen?
First time when I saw myself.
Yeah, on the big screen, do you remember how?
Yeah, I remember it very clearly. I saw myself in Ajanta screening. That belongs to Sanjay Dutt and Sunil Dutt Saab. And that was the first time I saw myself. I still remember it very clearly. With my family, I had come and seen it.
How was the feeling like?
I was mostly looking, मतलब मैं अपने परिवार को ज़्यादा देख रहा था rather than the screen, because I wanted to see how they are reacting to it. For me, that was the biggest thing, because I just wanted to see how my father was reacting to it.
Thank you.
Hello. Akshay, can you hear me? Hi.
Yes, ma'am.
Renuga Vivare from Bombay Times. First of all, I should congratulate all of you. The trailer looks brilliant. And IMAX format is one of the best formats to watch a movie. This question is for all of you. Which has been your favorite film on IMAX that you have enjoyed with your family? You have young kids, Akshay, and all of you. So what do you think, what's your favorite film? And my second question is about sports films. You know, they are the kind of films which really kind of evoke strong emotions. Your Mukkabaz was brilliant. So, what would you like to say about? Is that your favorite genre, Akshay? Because you know, of late, consciously you've been choosing really strong content-driven films.
There are three questions. What is the first one again? I forgot.
The IMAX.
Which one the favorite film? I would say I saw recently Mission Impossible. That one. That was a great movie to watch on IMAX. But I'm also looking forward to watch Gold, and because that's going to be my first film in IMAX. So next question.
Mr. Ritesh?
Next question is about the sports films. You know that would you like to say what about it that kind of drives you?
What
You know,
about?
the emotion? It's releasing on the Independence Day. You know, so do you think that really is close to your heart?
Independence Day?
As in the sports biopics?
As a sports biopic? Well, there are so many things which I do, and they're all very close to my heart, and that is why I'm doing it. So there's not one particular genre or one particular reason why I'm doing any kind of track or any kind of a film, but they're all very close, whether it's a Toilet Ek Prem Katha or a Padman or an Airlift or this one. So they're all very close.
Has it been a conscious choice to kind of choose films which are really strong on content, as opposed to what you had done previously?
No, not necessarily. I'm doing all different kind of. I'm shooting for Houseful 4, so that I wouldn't say is any social message it's going to give. The only message it's going to give is that you have to laugh and laugh and laugh. Then I'm doing another film called Tu Pehle Bol.
No.
It's called Good News, which I'm doing, and then there are many other things which I'm doing, which has not got anything to do with social causes or anything.
Thank you. And would anybody like to add to the IMAX question?
Your favorite film on IMAX?
The last film I saw on IMAX was Black Panther.
Yeah, me too.
And I can only say, not because we are here and not because we are very excited that our film Gold is coming on IMAX. I'm a guy who, if you just put me on IMAX and just play something, and we know with that visual and with that audio, I could spend like half a day here every day.
तेरी free ticket पक्की बेटा.
So Gold की Gold की
कोई भी film आप
Gold की दे दो sir.
Mr. Ritesh? Yes. Hi, right in front of you. Hi, this is Ganesh from Bollywood. So as you already know, like not a lot of films are released in IMAX format, like approximately say 4 a year. Gold happens to be one of those very few films that will release in such a format out here. So how do you really feel about it?
Oh, okay. I mean, I didn't know there are only 4 a year. I thought there were more, but now I'm feeling even more privileged that we are in the top 4 of their choice. I think when the IMAX team came to the office, we were not in the country, and they saw parts of the film. And I was like really thinking like what would their reaction be, and they were very positive. And when they selected the film, obviously you do feel a sense of like, both, you know, like I said even earlier, these films are made for a large screen format. You don't get larger than this. And we look forward to going to a cinema. I've never been to a cinema to watch, and I've never seen one of our films on an IMAX screen. So I'm really looking forward to it. So honestly, I'm feeling privileged and looking forward to it at the same time.
Akshay, hi. On your left, hi. Nikita here from Zoom. Hi. The recent trends has been there's been a lot of biopics that's happening, even on people who are still, in the industry going today. Do you ever feel that there should be a biopic on you, and how comfortable will you be with that idea?
No, I don't want to make any biopic on myself. But I like people making biopic on real people, not real people.
Is that the only reason, or is there something?
No, that also plus I don't think so. I've done something that big that I can make a biopic on myself.
Thank you.
Kunal sir over here to your center, Vidita over here from Vikings. Yeah. Kunal sir, tell me something about your character and how was your experience working with the team?
Well, I play a character called Samrat, and I think Samrat, the only dream that Samrat has is that one day we will win a gold medal as a free nation. He has captained a side which is won as a British colony. But this is a man that is single-minded. This is a man that has an incredible amount of passion. And his only dream, like I said, his single-mindedness is towards the fact that one day we will win a gold as a free nation.
विनीत, आपके सामने जिस तरह से ये फिल्म आई है इसमें हम देख रहे हैं कि स्पोर्ट्स तो मौजूद है, ये एक खास तरह का वक्त भी हमें सामने नजर आ रहा है। तो किस तरह की आपकी तैयारी रही, और इसमें मेरे ख्याल से कई ऐसे लोग रहे होंगे जो रियल लाइफ में भी प्लेयर्स होंगे जो टीम में रहेंगे, तो उनके साथ काम करने का अनुभव कैसा रहा?
बहुत ही बढ़िया रहा। और स्पोर्ट्स फिल्म के लिए मैं ये बोलूँगा, देखिए मुझे किसी कोच ने बोला था, मैं शेयर कर रहा हूँ, कि जिस भी शहर के मैदान भरे रहते हैं वहाँ के हॉस्पिटल खाली रहते हैं, और जहाँ के मैदान खाली होते हैं वहाँ के हॉस्पिटल्स भरे रहते हैं। तो अगर स्पोर्ट्स के ऊपर कोई फिल्म बनती है तो कहीं ना कहीं बहुत सारे लोगों को इंस्पायर करती है, चाहे वो छोटा बच्चा हो या बुजुर्ग हो। तो ये चीज़ बड़ी अच्छी है। और इस फिल्म की शूटिंग के दरमियान बहुत सारे लोगों से मुलाकात हुई, ना सिर्फ अपने यहाँ बल्कि जब हम लंदन में शूट कर रहे थे तो कई सारी कंट्रीज़ के प्लेयर थे और उनके साथ इंटरेक्ट करने का मौका मिला और काफ़ी अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा। बाकी तो अक्षय सर सेट पे कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा गेम से रिलेटेड करते ही रहते थे, तो हम लोग हमेशा खेलने कूदने वाले माहौल में ही इस फिल्म की शूटिंग का वक्त हमारा बीता है।
मैं नहीं चाहता था मेडिकल बिल आए इसको।
अमित, जिस तरह से ये फिल्म है और आपका किरदार है उसमें एक खास तरह की अकड़ है, वो बता रहा है, तो ऐसा कोई रेफरेंस था आपके सामने? आपने कोई ऐसा आदमी आपके पल्ले पड़ा?
अमित साहब
यार ऐसा अकड़ तो
ये बायोपिक है।
देखिए अकड़ तो दो टाइप की होती है। एक अकड़ होती है जिसको देख के आपको तकलीफ होती है या अच्छा नहीं लगता, आप मुंह फेर लेते हैं। एक अकड़ ऐसी होती है आपको जो शायद देखकर शायद मुस्कुराहट आए। जो मेरा जो ब्रीफ था डायरेक्टर का और इन द नैरेटिव, वो ऐसी अकड़ है जिसे आपको जो आपको थोड़ा एंडियरिंग लगे। वो कोशिश की, आई होप जब ये अकड़ देखें आपको अच्छी लगे।
कुणाल, जिस तरह से इससे पहले एक खास फिल्म आई थी राग देश, वो भी एक विशेष वक्त में थी, तो आपको आसानी हुई इस तरह इसे समझने में, इस फिल्म की कहानी?
जी, मुझे लगता है वैसे भी मुझे वो दौर बहुत अच्छा लगता है, 20s, 30s, 40s, क्योंकि मुझे एक तो बहुत मैजिकल लगता है वो दौर। दूसरा मुझे लगता है कि उस वक़्त लोगों में एक बहुत पैशन था कंट्री को लेकर और एक बहुत इंटेग्रिटी थी। तो मुझे वो समय वैसे भी अच्छा लगता है, तो समय के बारे में पढ़ता लिखता रहता हूँ और इसलिए मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं हुई उस समय को समझने में।
मौनी, जब आपको यहाँ पे टू द लेफ्ट, जब आपको फिल्म ऑफर हुई और जब पहली बार आपको नरेशन सुनाया गया, व्हाट वाज द रिएक्शन एंड आपने अपने रोल के लिए कैसे प्रिपेयर किया?
जी, मुझे ऑफ़र नहीं हुई थी, मैंने जाके ऑडिशन किया था, फिर मैंने 2 महीने इंतज़ार किया था, फिर ये मज़ेदार बात है मुझे एक मैसेज आया कि आप शॉर्टलिस्टेड हैं। फिर मैं जाके टीम से मिली, फिर मैं अक्षय सर और रीमा मैम से मिली। सो उस वक्त भी मैंने हमारी जो कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर थी नंदिनी श्रीकांत, उनको पूछा कि अच्छा इसका मैं मिलने जा रही हूँ तो इसका मतलब मेरा सिलेक्शन हो गया है? तो उन्होंने कहा नहीं, बस मिलने जा रही हो। बट व्हेन आई वेंट एंड मेट देम, they said welcome to the Gold family. So that's how it happened.
Right, we'll have one last question.
Akshay, hi. Again, Nikita here. Hi. As a producer, I want to ask you and Ritesh as well. You know, there's been a lot of talk about how female actors in our industry are still not getting paid as equal to the men in the industry. Do you feel as producers this gap should be reduced? And Akshay, in your next film, you'll be also working with... Okay, chalo, let's start with the first one.
Okay, so I think yes, the gap should be reduced. I can't say that it wasn't there, but like now, off recently, you've been seeing a lot of films being made with the author back role are played by the heroines and by women. And I also feel there is a, you know, like even I've been asked this question. There is, in fact, a script which we've just acquired. It's a biopic on somebody's life, and it'll be a female protagonist. And in that, even if I approach an actor and an actor says that I want to come on board, I would be very happy to even offer them a share in the film. Because I think that's what it should be, that there are many instances where actors, like Akshay also in some of his films, produces and says that rather than taking a fee or on whatever way he decides to work, there is a stake. And even they doing, and you have been seeing that, right? Of late, Deepika Priyanka, all of them have been starting to work in systems where they get a fee which is high enough and they also have a stake in the film. So I think that gap, if you're asking, has it been narrowed? It has been narrowed.
Akshay, coming to the second part of my question, you'll be working with another very wonderful actress, is Kareena in Good News, like you mentioned right now. So, do you feel that as a male actor, as a producer as well, do you feel that you want to push up and say that no, Kareena should also be paid as equal as me and the other actor?
I think that's the answer you gave just now. But
In terms of the film,
you see, it all comes up to कितना पैसा आ रहा है. अभी जब आप फिल्म रिलीज करते हो और उसके बाद आपके पास स्टेक होता है, अगर जब फिल्म बड़ी होती है तो आपके पैसे बड़े हो जाते हैं. उसी हिसाब से हीरो का भी रहता है, उसी हिसाब से हीरोइन का. आजकल जो स्टेक सिस्टम है ये बहुत आ गया है एंड दे गिव परसेंटेज टू पीपल. सो यू आर गेटिंग बेसिकली व्हाट यू आर डिजर्विंग. So that comes in like that, and that's what he has said.
Thank you so much. Thank you, media, for your questions. We'll now have one final photo op now that we have Kunal and Amit with us. I'll also invite Saurabh
Also,
from
can I just
CMO from
request if
Inox.
Kunal and Amit have not seen the trailer, if they can see it again
Sure,
later.
absolutely.
After this